Hey DIY enthusiasts! Welcome back to another exciting project. Today I'm going to show you how to make your very own Morse code machine. This is a fantastic project for anyone who loves tinkering with electronics or wants to learn something new. It's super fun, easy, and perfect for beginners. Whether you're a seasoned DIYer or just starting out, this project is sure to bring you joy and a sense of accomplishment. Let's dive right in. We'll go step by step, so don't worry if you're new to this. First, let's talk about what you'll need. You'll need a breadboard, a push button, an LED light, a buzzer, some jumper wires, and a 9V battery with a connector. These components are pretty standard and can be found in most electronics kits or online stores. Got it? Awesome! Now, let's get started with the assembly. Start by placing your breadboard on a flat surface. Make sure it's stable and won't move around while you're working. Now grab your push button and stick it in the middle of the breadboard. This button will be our key to tapping out Morse code. This button will be our key to tapping out Morse code. It's the main control for our machine. Next, take the LED light and place it right next to the push button. The LED will light up every time you press the button, giving you a visual signal. Make sure the longer leg of the LED is connected to the positive rail on the breadboard. This is crucial for the LED to function correctly. The shorter leg goes into one of the rows. This setup ensures that the LED will light up when the circuit is complete. Now let's wire it up. This part might seem a bit tricky, but take your time and follow along. Connect one jumper wire from the row with the shorter leg of the LED to one side of the push button. This connection will allow the current to flow through the LED when the button is pressed. Then take another jumper wire and connect the other side of the push button to a different row on the breadboard. This completes the circuit for the button. This way, when you press the button, it'll complete the circuit. You'll see the LED light up, indicating that the circuit is working. Time for the buzzer. The buzzer will give us an audible signal, complementing the visual signal from the LED. Place the buzzer on the breadboard, right next to the LED. This makes it easy to connect and keeps our setup neat. Connect one leg of the buzzer to the same row as the shorter leg of the LED. This ensures that both the LED and the buzzer will activate simultaneously. The other leg of the buzzer goes to the positive rail of the breadboard. This completes the circuit for the buzzer. To power it up, take the 9V battery and connect it to the positive and negative rails on the breadboard. This will provide the necessary power to our circuit. Positive to positive, negative to negative. And there you go. Your circuit is now powered. You've got power running through your circuit. Now let's test it out. Now press the push button. This is the moment of truth. You should see the LED light up and hear the buzzer sound. If everything is connected correctly, it should work perfectly. That's your Morse code signal. You've successfully built a working Morse code machine. Try tapping out SOS with 3 short presses, 3 long presses, and 3 short presses again. This is the universal distress signal in Morse code. Isn't that cool? You can now communicate using Morse code just like in the old days of telegraphy. And there you have it, your very own DIY Morse code machine. It's a great little project to learn about basic electronics and have some fun with Morse code. Plus, it's a fantastic way to impress your friends and family with your new skills. So, give it a try and impress your friends with your new skills. You can even challenge them to decode your messages. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome DIY projects. See you next time. Keep creating and stay curious. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome DIY projects. See you next time.